So the chart here is nice, but ideally a control chart is going to keep on going as we add more data points. How hard is it to add data points to here? Well, let me say we're going to add 3 more data points here. Notice that the graph automatically expands to account for that. And let's say I get these data points in here. Something like this. Then ideally I could just highlight all the way across and then drag down. But I'm just realizing that I made it a little harder on myself than I had to. If I click in here, edit the chart, you can see that my data range, it only goes up to E25. What would have been better is just to select column E. And if I do that really quickly for each of mine, you could of course do this when you create it also. This will have the much nicer property of updating. Hope I'm doing all of these right. I think I may have missed average. Okay, let's try that out. So I've adjusted them, and now notice that they do all go to the end there. And moreover, if I would add more data points now, say let's do one out of control there. Or I guess it's not out of control, it's closer to out of control. Now I can just highlight these and drag down and everything will automatically extend.